Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the CAD feature for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we head into the program here. Now in today's video, like I mentioned, we're going to be looking at the CAD. This is going to be a mini series where we're going to cover a few of its basics features. So we're starting off with that, then we'll be going maybe to some navigation, and then ideally some more advanced features available for the actual CAD. Now when it comes to actual CAD, this is icon here on the top left. It is also referred to computer aided design. So yeah, it can be used from 2D to 3D. In 2D, it will be a lot of flat product design, so you'll be making the sheets or designing it, and then in the 3D, you can even simulate certain things. So if you're making maybe a swing or something like that, you can actually simulate a lot of it. So it saves you a lot of time before manufacturing it, so you can first test it, run it, and so forth. But in our case, at the moment, we're going to be mostly looking at the more 2D version, even though it is of a 3D product. We'll be using a lot of times different programs to simulate 3D, where this will be 2D based around a 3D product in most cases. But then, yeah, in order to go to the CAD, we're actually going to use this icon. I'm going to zoom so you guys can see it a bit better. So we're simply just going to click on this icon to go to CAD. You can okay, no, you can't go to your file. I thought you can close it from there. So then what you want to do is you click on CAD, and then this will open your actual CAD feature. Now it is good to keep in mind that this is separate to your CAM, so the changes you're making here won't necessarily be in your CAM. So if you have to close this up, then you won't see those changes. You'll have to export this as a separate file, like a DXF file or something on that line, and then re-import it into your program. But we'll be going through all of that, so you don't have to worry too much. But yeah, otherwise that is it on about the CAD. In the next few videos, we're going to be starting to look at how to use it. But just a quick recap. So basically it is a computer aided design, and you'll be designing all your CAD, 2D CAD layouts over here with the features available. But yeah, otherwise if we head to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the me form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.